This video is brought to you by Besus. What's up guys, and this is it. Welcome to the exclusive first look at the official specs sheet of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. This is according to the most handsome guy in the world. Yes, that's right, it's me. Today is our exclusive leak. Samsung is doing absolutely everything in their power to create the best camera system on a mobile phone. We also got some price related leaks regarding the S22 series for the first time, which will bring water in your eyes. Hopefully not. We'll be taking a look at everything in this video. Make sure you smash that subscribe button and let's get right into it. So let's begin. What's new? Samsung is bringing a brand new super clear lens technology with the S22 Ultra model exclusively. This is a brand new Gorilla Glass that Samsung will be using on the main 108 megapixel sensor to maximize clarity and detail with no reflection. Reflective glare is an issue that we have seen on many smartphones, especially on the iPhone. If you're taking photos at night, you're gonna notice those weird orbs. It's something that affects every phone. But now with the brand new clear lens technology, Samsung is looking to fix this, or at least minimize this, and give you guys the best performance when it comes to low light situation. Again, this brand new glass will only be applied to the main sensor, whereas the telephoto and the periscope zoom as well as the ultra wide angle lens will use a normal glass. Now here are the official final camera specs. Unfortunately, we don't get optical image stabilization on the ultra wide angle lens, so it's only coming to the main, telephoto, and the periscope zoom. And although we don't have an under display camera, but still we've got one of the smallest punch hole system on a smartphone display while rocking a 40 megapixel selfie sensor. The camera specs do sound similar to the S21 Ultra, but the difference is that now we have the hardware to back these numbers. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and now officially confirmed 4nm Exynos 2200, they are both built for 108 megapixel sensors. We'll get proper performance out of these camera sensors that we couldn't get before. Now this is confirmed. Samsung will be offering the S22 Ultra in 8GB of RAM and 12GB of RAM flavors, with storage going from 128, 256 and 512GB. No sign of 1TB model, at least for now, but again, this is something that could come out at the time of the launch. Now yes, 8GB of RAM still hurts me. It is something that shouldn't be a thing. Samsung should offer 12GB of RAM as a base RAM storage on all of their Ultra phones, but seems like that's not the case. The starting model will indeed offer 8GB of RAM. With the right optimization, it will be enough for most people, but yeah, it's not the absolute all-out thing. Let me know what you think about this decision in the comment section below. As for the displays, Samsung is pushing themselves to an even insane level. It's coming with a 6.8-inch Quad HD display with 120Hz refresh rate and almost 1800 nits brightness, which is just downright ridiculous. Battery-wise, it's official. We've got 5000 mAh cell, and can we just take a moment and appreciate Samsung that they're bringing this big of a battery along with a built-in S Pen. Like, this is something that no other brand has pulled off. Because of this, the S22 Ultra is understandably coming around 228 grams of weight, which is a little bit heavier than what we have seen with the Note 20 Ultra. And once again, these are indeed the official launch colors. We don't know if that sexy red is coming out or not. We have this burgundy color instead, which to be honest isn't as good as the red color that we want to see. So for now, the best color at launch will be that green color. Now before we talk about the pricing, a big thanks to Besus for making this video possible. If you're looking for quality, affordable tech products, then Besus is the name that comes on top. I've been using their GAN Pro desktop power strip with 65 watt power to fast charge multiple devices at the same time. No need for any cable mess, this does it all. And to make my traveling experience easier, I've been using their 65 watt power bank, which delivers fast charging to my phone and even my laptop on the go. Now, if you're using the iPhone 12 or the 13 series, then you'll love the Besus magnetic power bank, which fast charges your iPhone using MagSafe. It's got 18 built-in magnets, which allows you to precisely attach your phone and unlock 20 watt speeds. And for those who are looking for a great, true, affordable wireless earphone experience, the Besus W11 headphones are a great option. They deliver excellent audio, long battery life, and comfortable use. Now I'm actually giving away some of these products for you guys. If you want to win, definitely follow Besus official Instagram account and leave a comment down below on this video. I'll be picking the the winners up in about 15 days. Alrighty, let's take a look at the first pricing rumor of the Galaxy S22 series. So take this info with a grain of salt because anything can happen. We're still pretty far away from the official launch. According to the Twitter leakster, the S22 could start at 900 euros for the base model. It's got that 8 gigs of RAM / 128 configuration, maxing out at 963 euros. And then for the S22 Plus, we have 1100 and then 1170 for the 256 model. And then the S22 Ultra coming at 1430 and 1544 euros for its absolute maxed out variant. Again, no mention of the 8 GB of RAM / 128 GB official version that's gonna come out as well. So that will obviously be cheaper, but this is the early leaked pricing. And I gotta say, these pricing are really high. Hopefully Samsung will show us some generosity and price these phones low, especially the S22 model. But considering what they have done with the S21 Fan Edition, it seems kinda unlikely, but we'll see what happens. So that's all the latest news regarding the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Whatever we discussed in this video came out of that official infograph. Pretty much it's now confirmed that 8 gigs of RAM is a thing and Samsung is bringing something called super clear lens. It sounds pretty exciting. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.